Here, let's just go to this little bank here. And I'll get him from the top of the hill versus being in the water. Okay, let's see. Can I get the drop on him? Do I need to? That's the more important question. Is there anyone around me? Anyway, hope you guys are having a good new year so far. I don't know, I don't really have too many, like, goals, per se, or resolutions. Most of mine, really the only thing is to just, be more productive, like play an instrument, read a book, versus just be on my phone, or on the internet all the time. Who is shooting at me? Oh. There we go. Alright, who else? Hold on, boat. I'm not ready for you yet. There we go. Whoops. Come on. There we go. Alright, now it's time to bail. Used way too many shots for that. Alright, I think I can get him from here. If I can just get up this little bank. Oh, I also, over the past couple days, I got Assassin's Creed Definitive Edition for the PC, and all the other Assassin's Creed games. And then also, Dishonored, the Game of the Year edition for the PC. So, I was thinking about maybe playing those again sometime in the near future. The Definitive Edition, just to see what that had in it. And Dishonored, just to kind of play it a different way. Because I really enjoy that game. And I want to play through the DLCs too. So, I don't know if you guys are interested in that. I don't know if I want to upload it to my channel or not. But I probably will. Especially now that YouTube has this 60 frames per second. Because I think that'll be a lot nicer. And I can upload it at 1080 or maybe even 1440. Versus the 720 upscaled PS3 resolution. Who sees me now? Whoa. Where did that tree come from? Let's see. Did they? Oh! Whoa! Jesus. Alright, I got these guys right here. Now if I can just... Oh! If I can just get you, then all will be right with the world. Alright, let's go. Do a quick little binocular sweep. I think we're golden. Alright. Now do I just have to keep going that way? Wait, who sees me now? Let's take a look. Whoop. Wow. That's a lot of people. Unfortunately I don't have any sniper rifle ammo. 1, 2, 3. Is it just the 3? I might be able to take them. Let's go over here, see if we can find any ammo. And I'll grab this little gunboat. I'm not really sure. I don't remember the thingy at the bottom, what that's for. This little GPS looking thing at the bottom of my screen. I might have to refamiliarize myself with what's going on recently. Alright, did I get him? Not all of them, apparently. I ran out of bullets? Oh. Alright, I think we're good. Oh, not quite. Then was there another guy behind here? I guess not. I don't see any path up there. But I probably will stop right here. Jump in. Let's see. I haven't heard too many things about Far Cry 4. I'm curious if it's good or not. It seemed like it just came out so much sooner after Far Cry 3 than any of the other games have been released. Like, I don't know, was it like 6 years or so after Far Cry 1 that 2 was released, and then another 4 maybe after 2 that 3 was released? Blah, 3 was released. Oh shit. Alright, I don't know if I can make it. Yeah! Alright. Got that boat. How many more are left? Oh, what's this? Cut them down. Oh, I love missions like these. Alright, I got meat shields in front of me from these guys that I blew up. Hopefully I can kill these fools before they kill me. It would be nice to have some health up here though. Ooh. Headshot, baby, headshot. That's all I need. Am I good? Not bad. Okay, let's go along this little bank. Alright. Thought I was knocking them into the water for a sec. It's kind of weird driving these things. It's so sensitive. Alright, I guess we should go up here. You know it's the right way when there's enemies around. Oh God! Whoops. Alright. Let's keep going now. Schooled these idiots. My car. I wish I could have driven across the bridge though. Have I gotten any sniper rifle? No. Should have been more cautious. Okay. Oh, fuck. Who else sees me? Oh, you do. Ah, I'm such a bad shot. I need more practice with this. Another helicopter? Oh god. Whoa. That's pretty weird looking. Alright. Got through a little better this time. But we still got a lot left to go. Alright. But we can... Oh, fuck. Hold on. We can pick everyone off if I can actually press the buttons right. Okay. Whoa. Where's that helicopter? Super loud. Can I kill the helicopter driver? Oh, let's see. Oh, there's someone. And then other guys around here. Oh, there you are. There we go. There's still someone down there. I don't know that I can hit him from here, though. I don't think I can. Yeah, I think he's a little bit too far away. And I hear the helicopter, but I don't know where it is. I might see if I can go grab that gun really quick and try to take it out. I think they just alerted the helicopter. Oh. Can I get you? Come on. There we go. Alright. Who else is around here? Oh, that guy. Hold on. Pew pew. Pew pew. Any headshots? Not one. But we did get him. Alright, and now just those guys. Did I get one? Not bad at all. Okay. Ooh. Beautiful. Oh, come on, game. Okay. I was about to say, don't hold that in front of me. Ooh, my goodness. Glad I came over here. Well, I guess I did have to come over here, though. And nothing. Oh, gosh. There it is. Well, time to get on the gun. Oh, don't blow up the boat, please. Okay. Can I, like, hone in on it? This is weird. Should I take the boat? Or, like, what should I do? Oh, that is loud. Okay, well, I might cross here really quick. Okay. And then should we continue through the jungle? I don't think that we can, actually. No path. Okay. Let me try going over to that little outpost over there. Okay, is there a path over here? Nope. Okay, I guess we have to face the helicopter then. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Good thing they didn't unload. Alright, boat. We got this. Get out of here, you stupid thing. Did you see that badassery? That was awesome. This is what an action hero feels like. Yeah! Danger zone, baby. Danger zone. Alright. How am I supposed to get through here? Oh, it's the worst. Well, I guess I need to push it somehow. Go back in. There we go. You know, I am surprised at how much health I still have left on this boat.
You should be close to the upland. It's just a little ways off the river itself. There should be a path. Be careful though. It looks like you can't just stroll in there.
I'm strolling. Yeah, let's get out of here. Alright. Time to go tactical, baby. Time to go tactical. Ah! Where'd you go? Alright, now we need... Should I get that armor? I might wait on the armor. Alright, let me see if I can get as many people as I can while I still have this armor. However little that may be. Oh gosh. Where'd he go? Don't see him anymore. I feel like I should be getting at least 1 or 2 shots in versus none. But oh well. How can he hit me? Gosh. Come on, baby. Anything would be nice. Alright, to the armor. We still got some health left, too. So that's good. Oh. Alright, for some reason I just can't hit that guy. Can't hit that guy either. Okay, it's time to sneak up on them. I'm running low on ammo though. Hopefully we can make this last. I guess I'm not really doing much sneaking if they know where I am. Ooh. Now we're talking. Really?